What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to make some cable clips because under my desk it's very messy with cables, so that's like the perfect opportunity now. I already measured some things like the proportions to the cables, and I think like the upper part, if it's 9mm, it's perfect. Like 9 on 1, I always do that. And now comes the tricky part, because we have to do kind of the middle. And how long with 15 is good. And now we have to do this and this. And we have to leave a little space there. So I actually made a mistake. We have to do like that, like that. Now from here, go like this. Where is it? Right here. And leave this space right here out. So some scam called me. I hate these motherfuckers, bro. They always be calling me at the wrongest time possible. So this has to bend. This part has to bend. So we're gonna make it a little bit thinner. Yeah, I guess that's good. I've got something in my throat now. Hell yeah. And I made a mistake again. I'm doing so fine today. Oh, just let me do it. Just like that. Now this, and this. And that's pretty much it, I think. Yeah, like, I don't know, let's just test it, because these parts, these right here, they're the most vulnerable thing, so I don't want them to break particularly. Let's just edit and put like a little square in here, so that these things don't touch. See, this and this. I gotta go around this and this. Get it up. Oh, I was zoomed in far. Just like that. Now they don't touch. No, they don't. That's perfect. So now you would be able to split this part, put the cables in, and like maybe put some glue on here and just glue it somewhere, and the cables would be fine. So let's save it. Cable clip 1. Go in the slicer. And how long? 4 minutes. Oh, these things are cheap. Damn. Oh, what happened here? That is not good. Wait. Why exactly did this happen? Okay, so let's make it a little bit thicker. Like 0.5. Yeah, it's not for looks, it's just experimental. What happened here? That looks kinda cool though, but I do not know how I did it. Oh, okay, I know now. That was straight and then I extruded this, angled, and then yeah, this happened. But it looks good. Let's see that one. Cable clip. 2. Get rid of that one. And it's complete. Hell yeah. Oh, that seems pretty unsafe right there. Nah, that's gonna break. Let's just do something like that. I'm a professional, guys. I know what I'm doing. I can solve this problem pretty easily. You just have to trust me. So we're gonna do this. Join. Looking better. Yeah. That's a solution only I can come up with. What? Wait, what even is this? Okay. Let's export it. Clip 3. I'm too lazy to write the whole name. So let's just get rid of that. Open files, clip 3. See that one. Oh, looking way better. Look at that. That looks good. So let's save it. Clip 3, that's good. And let's get to the printer. So I already got the card in, preheating as always. Let's start the print. And it already shows 20% done because it's just so short. So, oh yeah, let's get rid of this stuff. Oh. Yeah, now I got it. That's good. The rest can solve itself. Just enjoy the time lapse now. And see how it's done. Guys, it's finished already. Printing time 7 minutes. Look at that. You can mass produce this shit. Now let's get some cables. Oh, that's a little small actually, I'm noticing. Look at that. That's like a normal power cable. You get that there. It's a little small, but you can like clip 2 cables together. Like if you take 2 cables, let's just zoom this shit out. 2 cables right here, like that. 2 cables. You open that one, and you got 2 cables together, and you can pull them out. That was not intentional. Yeah, so cable clip, I would say successful project. Until the next time.